Chaudhary, this is his dilemma. He is behind the scene with Musharraf. They want to take revenge. This Iftikhar Chaudhary, they have no character. He is the guy who had oath under Musharraf. They supported Musharraf's rule. Iftikhar Chaudhary supported Musharraf military government and give them legislative power, parliamentarian sanction, approval to run the government. And now they are talking about he's a treason, he's a traitor. No, they are the traitor. What they done for Pakistan. So we want justice for Musharraf, not because of we are supporting Musharraf in his own capacity, or we are promoting his party. We are supporting Musharraf because Musharraf is the only leader in his tenure 10 years. Pakistan went up. Pakistani economy, technologically, defense in every area. Pakistan, actually, if you see Pakistan going up, he is the one who brought Pakistan and in the international community as a good name in the difficult time when the world was fighting against terrorism. What Musharraf did, respectfully, he brought the country respectfully, and the international community, because of the Musharraf, recognized that Pakistan is the victim of terrorism. Pakistan is a victim of terrorism, not the part of terrorism. This was Musharraf who realized the international community that we are the victim as well. We are the most victim than any other country. He is the one who did that. And the other thing is, if you go on the constitutional way, then in the constitution they're talking about Article 6, but they should know that in the same constitution of Pakistan, if a treason case is labeled against any army officer, it should be run under the Army Act of 1952 and then 77. So in a way, this is not the case to run in the civil code, because Musharraf was an army man. So, and there are so many things, Musharraf, if we talk about today, I can talk the whole, day, what the Musharraf has done for the country. Today now the people of Pakistan has a very free media because of who? If these leaders have opportunity to come on television and talk on satellite, because of who? Because of Musharraf. So we, all the overseas Pakistanis, just want justice for Musharraf. We want Musharraf, if you have case against Musharraf, it should be fair. And then if you saying Musharraf is traitor because Musharraf violated the constitution of Pakistan, who has not violated the constitution of Pakistan? These are parliamentarians sitting in the parliament talking about Musharraf violated the constitution. They are fake degree holders. Are they Amin or Sadiq? Everyone knows that. Where are the cases against Zardari? What happened to his wealth? He accumulated in Switzerland Bank. What happened there? What about that? These people violated the constitution of Pakistan. So if the case should run against anyone, all the rest of the people of not the Musharraf, all these people who are in the power or who were in the power before. So this is exactly judicial murder, and whatever they are doing, they just actually taking personal revenge. But what's happening? They are defaming Pakistan, and the anti-Pakistan elements getting benefit of that. There are stories coming in the international media. That there are anti-Pakistan foreign elements who are putting pressure on the present government that not to release Musharraf. They are the anti-foreign elements of Pakistan trying to punish Musharraf, and these people running the government are doing their job for them. So Musharraf, if Musharraf is in a problem because of international conspiracy through the rulers who are running the country. These people come again and again in power. They have made their family, legacy. Father and then son and then brother and then nephew. What is this? What is this? Is this democracy? They're talking about democracy. Is this democracy? Yesterday was the father, today is the daughter or son. Is it the democracy? A family, Nawaz and company is running the country now. Is it the democracy? Zardari and his son is running the country now. Is it democracy? What democracy they are talking about? We just need better Pakistan. We need the rights of the common people of Pakistan. Doesn't matter it come from military rule or it come from the civil rule. We want common person.
We want Pakistan. We want Musharraf. We want Musharraf.
So, my dear friends, this is the time we have to continuously fight for Musharraf, and again, we are fighting for Musharraf because we are fighting for Pakistan. Fighting this time for Musharraf is fighting for Pakistan and keep our Pakistan army and our Pakistan, the intelligence services, intelligence offices, we have to, bring them, we have to keep their respect up in the international community. We respect our army, we respect our intelligence. They are the people who are saving our country. They are the only department who actually, when the Pakistan is difficult time, they are the people come and put the country on back. Our leaders, what they have done, these all leaders, all the top leaders of Pakistan who are against today, against Musharraf, who are they? They are production of army. They time and again, coming to the army and saying that do this. So they all have the vested interest. Therefore, we have to condemn this government. We want this government. We want international community. We want Australian government as well to put pressure on Pakistan to justice with Musharraf. If you want to run the case, then it should be, the case should be run against all those people who really violated the Constitution of Pakistan. Musharraf never violated the Constitution of Pakistan. If Musharraf went through on these things with the consultation of the politicians, this is on record. Everyone knows that. So, my dear friend, inshallah, we will continue to do this protest, and inshallah, very soon, we will be organizing another protest. We will be doing a gathering in the hall as well. We will be doing protection on the street as well. What I would like to request you that please ask your friend, ask your relatives that are you a patriotic Pakistani? Do you love Pakistan? Think as a Pakistani. Don't think as an affiliator or follower of a party. This is the time we don't have to think which party we belong to. We have to think which country we belong to, which country Musharraf belong to. Ask yourself, has Musharraf given something to the country or not? This is the facts and figures. As someone said here, what was the dollar? 60, 65 rupees. Dollar value, what is today? Shame, 100 rupees. And they are talking about that Musharraf is a traitor. Musharraf left $17 billion reserve. What is now? Maybe couple of billion, and they are begging money from Saudi Arabia and other countries to run the country now. And if this government continues, this is the agenda of the anti-Pakistani people, that Pakistan will be, more in trouble. So we have to rescue Pakistan. Thank you very much. Thank you, Master.